Bank reconciliation in Xero is a crucial process for ensuring that your business's financial records are accurate and up to date. By comparing your bank's records with the transactions you've entered in Xero, you can confirm that everything is accounted for. Here's a step-by-step guide to bank reconciliation in Xero for 2025. Step 1. Get ready to reconcile. Connect bank feeds. The most efficient way to reconcile in Xero is by connecting your bank account directly. This allows Xero to automatically import your bank transactions, saving you from manual data entry. Check your dashboard. On your Xero dashboard, you'll see a panel for each of your bank accounts. This panel shows your current bank balance and the number of items that need to be reconciled. Click the Reconcile Number Items button to begin. Opening balance. Before you start, make sure the opening balance in Xero matches the balance on your physical bank statement. This is the starting point for a successful reconciliation. Step 2. The reconciliation screen. The reconciliation screen is split into two sections. Left side. This shows your bank statement lines, which are the transactions imported from your bank account. Right side. This shows the transactions you've entered in Xero, such as invoices, bills, and expense claims. The goal is to match each bank statement line on the left with a corresponding transaction on the right. Step 3. Matching transactions. Xero uses smart matching to suggest potential matches for your bank statement lines. These suggested matches will appear in green on the right side of the screen. Accept suggested matches. If Xero has found a perfect match, same date, amount, and contact, simply click the OK button to reconcile the transaction. Find and match. For transactions that aren't automatically matched, click the Find and Match button. You can then search for an existing invoice, bill, or other transaction in Xero to match with the bank statement line. You can match a single bank line to multiple Xero transactions. For example, a single bank deposit that covers several invoices. Part payments. If a customer has made a partial payment on an invoice, you can use the Find and Match feature, select the invoice, and then click Split to record the underpaid amount. Bank transfers. If you're reconciling a transfer of funds between two of your bank accounts, click the Transfer tab. Select the other bank account involved in the transfer to match it, and complete the reconciliation. Step 4. Creating new transactions. Sometimes, a bank statement line won't have a corresponding transaction in Xero. In this case, you'll need to create a new one. Spend money. For withdrawals from your bank account, e.g. bank fees, a payment to a vendor you haven't recorded as a bill, click the Create tab. Fill in the details like the who, the contact, the what, the account code, e.g. bank fees, and a description. Receive money. For deposits into your bank account, e.g. interest received, use the Create tab to record a Receive Money transaction. Step 5. Automating reconciliation with bank rules. To speed up the process, you can create bank rules for recurring transactions. Create a bank rule. For a repeating transaction, like a monthly subscription or bank fee, you can click Options next to the transaction and select Create Bank Rule. Define the rule. Set conditions based on the transaction details, e.g. the contact name, amount, or reference. Xero will then automatically apply this rule to similar future transactions, suggesting the correct contact and account code. Step 6. Review and finalize. Once you have matched or created a transaction for every bank statement line, the Reconcile Number Items button will disappear, and you'll see a green All Items Reconciled banner. This indicates that your Xero records are now in sync with your bank statement. You can also view a bank reconciliation report to see all reconciled transactions and any remaining unreconciled items.